What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode, and today we're taking a look at the must-have dunk you have to have this year, the Nike SB Dunk Low Yuto Horigomes. Now, if you're asking yourself who or what that is exactly, you're looking at him right here. Yuto is a Nike SB Dunk Low professional skateboarder from Japan, and as you can see, he won the first gold medal for skateboarding when it was added to the Olympics back in 2020 at the Summer Games. Now, if you didn't know, that's a really big deal for skateboarding because they've come a really long way, and the fact that he won it in his hometown in Japan, the hometown hero, that's really sick. So they ended up giving him his first sneaker collab, and honestly, I think these are a must-have sneaker. Now, taking a look at it, as you guys can see, these are very, very clean. You can pretty much wear them with anything. The color palette suits both fall and neutral colors, so personally, in terms of aesthetic, these are definitely a must cop. And I really like the insignia that we see there. I did a little bit of research so you didn't have to, and apparently that cross feather stitch emblazoned is his moniker, something that he's kind of had with him throughout his whole career. So I think it's really sick that we were able to actually see them and get a better idea of what the actual collab looks like. Now, when it comes to the actual insole, there is a little bit more effort here, and as you can see from the bottom right here with the gum sole, Nike SB, the logo is visible. So I don't know, man. I am a skater myself. I definitely grew up skating, but personally, these are so clean. I don't know that I could justify cutting them up and rubbing them on the grip tape myself. However, if you think that you would definitely wear them while skating, let me know in the comments. And I definitely think that skaters should, try to get their hands on them because they're just such a clean sneaker. Now, there is some conflicting information online as per a release date, whether it's actually going to release on August 16th or August 18th. However, personally, I do believe we are going to see them this upcoming August, which is not too far from now. Now, like I mentioned a little bit earlier in the video, personally, I really dig that insignia that we see that's on his sneaker. Whenever we see actual effort that goes into sneaker collabs, whether it's someone's first collab like Yuto here, or whether it's somebody's 10th collab, I always like to see some effort, whether it's on the sneaker itself, the packaging with the box, which I think is always a must, or even these insoles, as you guys can see here. Now, taking a look at this actual sneaker itself, it looks like we are getting 3 different colored laces, and as per my personal preference, I think I would probably swap them out for the pink ones, just because I think it would pop a little bit more, and personally, they're just a really clean pair. Like I mentioned, I think that you can really wear these with anything, and they're perfect for the upcoming fall. You can pretty much wear this with something formal, something a little bit more subdued, or even something neutral, just with the given color palette that we end up seeing. Now, taking a look at the sole, like you saw a little bit earlier in the video, it looks pretty clean. It's not something that's going to show up dirty. And personally, like I said, it goes kind of with those fall or muted colors. And personally, let me know in the comments if you agree. Now, one other sneaker I needed to shout out are these Crenshaw Skate Club Nike SB Dunk Lows that are supposed to drop a little bit later this year as well. I think that they're kind of similar in color palette, and I love that Nike is actually doing this collab right here. And then one other honorable mention, if you guys haven't seen the latest news, is that these Travis Scott Nike SB Dunk Lows are also going to be restocking for the first time since 2020, this upcoming September 2023. So Nike SB is definitely on an SB Dunk Low rollout right now. For those unfamiliar, the SB stands for skateboarding. So I think it's cool, again, that we're getting this collaboration, and it's Yuto Horigome's first actual Nike SB Dunk Low collab and first actual sneaker. Now, these are some photos of him from the Olympic Games, which, again, I think is really sick that he won. And the fact that, he's been blessed with his own Nike SB Dunk Low collab. So if you made it this far, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Personally, I really love this pair for the reasons I mentioned earlier. I think you can wear it with anything. I think that it's really clean. And I think we don't see enough of these Nike SB Dunk Lows. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope that you can get your hands on them. Let me know in the comments what you think. You might as well go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. And thanks for cooking with the kitchen, guys. Peace.